21. A system of linear equations is shown below. What is the value of x in the solution to this system of equations? Okay, so you only have to solve for the value of x. So let's do that. All right. Now we can use elimination or we can use substitution. I prefer elimination. So let's do that. All right. So what we need to do is we need to convert both of these so that way we eliminate the y value. So if I look at the y, I want to make them opposite. If I multiply the 3 and the 2, I get 6. Well, right now they're both negative, so I would add. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 2. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to make that a negative 2. So I end up with a positive 6. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3. I'm going to multiply that with x minus 2y equals 2. And so what I get if I multiply the first one, I'm going to get negative 2x plus 6y equals negative 14. And then I'm going to combine that. I'm going to add this together with 3x minus 6y equals 6. So I'm going to add that. So 3x and negative 2x create x. Negative 6y and positive 6y cancel. So I don't have to worry about those. And then negative 14 and positive 6 is negative 8. So x equals negative 8. And if I look over my answer choices, I see my choice is D. So let's double check our work. And the answer is indeed negative 8. So I want to go back and I want to point a few things out. Let me drag this a little bit. There we go. Okay. With the elimination, I purposely changed the original equations. I changed them so the variable I did not want to solve for would cancel out. So there would be an opposite version of whatever it worked out to be. You can do anything you want to an equation as long as you're consistent in the way that you change the equation. So I could have just changed one equation if that would have brought about, the change I needed. In this case, the change that I needed was to get rid of the y. So I chose to change both by multiplying the 3 and the 2. But because both had a negative sign, I had to make the outcome positive for one of these, so I'd have a positive 6 and a negative 6. And so the positive 6 and negative 6 would cancel out and leave only x's to combine. Okay, there you have it.